What are you doing, bro?
Hey man, you're just in time, you're just in time. Check this out.
Wow.
So this is an experiment.
Experiment again?
Yeah, again, I saw it online, I had to try it. All we're doing is just putting some oil in here.
Alright.
Alright,
And then?
there we go. Look at that beautiful yellow color. Isn't it so nice?
Yeah.
Alright, now we need to put some water in there. It's just normal tap water.
Alright.
Okay,
Let's do it.
just like that. Look at it mix, look at it mix. Alright. Alright, it's getting there. You see how the water is going to the bottom because it's
Yeah.
more dense? This is exactly what we need.
Cool.
Okay, now we're gonna get some glitter.
Ooh.
Do you have any color preferences?
Let's go with the red one.
Alright, how about we do two? We'll do two, do the reds. Look at this.
Yeah.
Bit of red. And let's follow up with some silver. Bit of silver.
Ooh.
Beautiful, beautiful. This is exactly what we need.
Nice.
Okay. Now we're gonna add some food coloring.
Alright.
We're gonna use a syringe for this.
Let's go.
Alright. Check this out.
What is this color? Blue?
This is blue, yes.
Alright.
So first, add some blue.
Ooh, nice.
There we go. And let's follow up with some nice juicy red. My favorite color.
Alright.
Guilty as charged.
So
There we go.
satisfying.
Alright, and now for the grand finale, but you need to help me. This is just a soluble tablet.
Alright.
Can you help me open it?
Normal?
Yeah.
Cool.
I already have some here,
Oh,
but we just need a couple more.
nice.
Yeah.
Here another one.
Thank you, man. Perfect, just what we need. Let's get rid of this. And now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, now we wait for the reaction. It's starting to bubble already.
Wow.
Ooh, are you seeing this?
Wow.
Let me light it up for you.
Wow. Got the blue
How
and
does
the
that
red.
look?
Nice, nice, amazing.
Holy cow,
Amazing.
that looks nice. Alright, and that's how you make a DIY lava lamp, my friend.
Lava lamp, bro, yeah.
So cool.
Amazing, bro.
Look at these beautiful colors. So cool.
Now I'm gonna try to.
Okay. Oh my God.
So just put the phone in.
Here.
Yes, right there.
Are you sure? That's my
Yeah,
phone.
that's for a magic stick. It's all right. Just check so you make sure.
Yeah, that's my phone.
That's your phone, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna make it disappear. Okay.
Disappear?
Yeah,
No.
it's gonna be
What
all right.
is this?
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So, 3, 2, 1, and.
Oh my God! That was my phone. That's my phone. That's my
supposed to happen.
Guys, there's water.
No,
in
let's
there.
try one more. Let's try one more. Do you have a bill? Like 10, 20, 50, any kind of bill.
Okay.
Yeah, just
10 euros.
and make sure to remember the last 3 numbers and show to the camera as well. So the
Okay,
last 3
guys, have a
numbers.
look.
Okay, so 3.
Okay. 693.
Okay, okay. And let's try something with a bill. Okay, I'm gonna fold it in half, fold it in quarters, and the bill is gone.
What?
There is a paper. That's for
Where's
you.
it? That's a bad
Thank you.
deal. Definitely a bad
No,
deal.
I'm gonna make it good. Maybe some of you have a lighter.
Yes.
Do you have a lighter?
I
Yeah,
have-
please
I
give
think
me
so.
the lighter.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Light it up.
Okay.
Yeah, light this thing up. Very
Wow.
nice, very nice.
Wow.
And now I'm gonna try to.
Okay. Oh my God. Wow,
It's for you. It's for you. Yes.
Yes.
Let's try something with you, okay? Do like this with your hands.
Like,
yes.
be careful,
Yeah,
be careful.
and I'm gonna try something with ball, okay? Just touch it. Make sure it's real. It's not
real,
a
yeah.
fake one.
It's real, yeah.
It's a real ball, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this ball and.
Whoa!
Yeah, you wish. Yeah, Yeah, these are mine balls, but okay. So I'm gonna place one. Yeah, just touch it. Yeah. I'm gonna place one ball in my hand, okay, and other ball in your hand. Just squeeze it tight,
Yes,
okay. And now I'm gonna try to make one ball goes to the other hand, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Alright.
Oh my God. You have 2 and I have none.
Hey, what's our watch though?
Oh. I'm gonna make it good. Come on.
No way. Yes, her money.
Come here. I'm gonna show one last grand illusion, okay? So stand right there. Yeah, come a little closer. Yeah, very good. We're good. And let's count to 3, everyone, okay? So 1, 2, 3. And is that your song?
What? How did that happen?
Hey, ladies. Easy. Okay, phone. I got phone.
It's your phone.
It's yours.
That's mine.
It's her phone?
Yeah.
Okay, I will believe
Okay.
you.
Whoa.
Then I have some cash. Who has some? It's yours. Okay, spend it wisely. Spend it wisely. Buy some ice cream.
Yeah,
please.
it's safe.
693.
Okay.
Wow. Amazing.
And some watch. I had the same actually. Are you sure it's yours?
Did the guy take yours too? This one is mine. So sorry.
All right, I will.
Babe, don't worry, it's an experiment. Trust me.
What
okay.
are you doing?
I need you to help me out. We have to take the sticks out. Can you do it?
Sticks out, okay. Oh no, it's hot. It's hot. I can't.
Grab a Coke.
Okay, Coke.
Just fill it up. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, like this.
Okay,
Hurry up.
okay.
Faster, babe. Come on, come on. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, now take out the sticks.
Like, I'll just take. Oh, can you help me?
Hurry up. Faster. Come on. All right. Grab this syringe. Fill it up
Okay.
with an orange juice. Orange juice.
That's my cocktail, not orange juice.
Sorry, babe.
Well, what
All
do
right.
you want me to
I want
do?
you to stick it in.
Here?
Yeah, force it. Just like that.
Oh,
All right. Okay.
okay.
Put in. Fill it up.
Like this?
Very nice.
Oh.
It needs some air. Put the
Air.
straw in and blow it.
Blow it. Okay.
Come on, babe. Faster. Come on.
More?
Come on, babe. Some more.
Is
Okay.
this good?
Very nice. I want you to put some flour on it.
Flour. Okay.
5 times.
Like
Hurry up, babe.
No?
No. Grab it like this.
1,
Put some more. 5 times.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, it's enough. Put some salt. 5 times.
What am I doing, by the way?
You're gonna love it, babe. You're gonna love
1,
it.
2, like this.
Yeah.
3, 4.
Okay, it's enough.
5.
Now, babe, I want you to help me out. Okay? We need to grab the soda. Grab a soda. Open it up.
This one, yeah?
Yeah. All right.
Wait
We have to
a
do this.
second.
Hurry up.
I
Hurry
have
up.
nails.
We'll buy you some new nails. All right. Just pour it up. Pour it on.
Yeah?
On top, like this.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
Pour it out. Lovely. Well, look at it. Okay. Now,
What a
it's
mess.
the best part is coming. Now put it in.
No.
Put the whole thing in.
It's gonna
Oh, you know
fall.
what's gonna happen.
Come on.
Okay, don't worry about it, babe.
All of
Put the
it?
whole thing
All of it.
on the other side as well.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Look it. Okay, shake it a little bit. Take the whole tray.
Shaking it like
Okay.
this.
Turn around.
Okay.
And now I want you to take it out and dry it.
Try.
Where's the
Come on.
tissues?
I need
Give me
some
the tissues.
Oh,
All right.
thank you.
Grab some. All right, dry it out.
Try it out like this.
Just like that. Has to be dry.
What is this?
Has to be dry.
What is this? What are we going
You're gonna
to
love
do
it.
with it?
It's an experiment, and we're about to finish it with a hammer. Okay? You'll have to smash it, but before that, we have to make it the last step. All right? I want you to rub it.
There?
I want you to rub it.
Like massage
Rub the whole
it?
thing. Yeah, massage it. Just rub it in. The whole thing
You know,
has to be
I'm not
covered.
gonna eat it.
Everything has to be covered.
Okay.
That's some more.
Okay.
Just more. You know?
No.
Okay. Look at it. There's
gonna
another
eat
side.
it.
It's not covered. Come on, cover it.
Yeah, I'm
Come on, babe.
hungry.
Hurry up.
I'm doing my best.
Now I want you to
honey.
shake it a little bit.
Shake it.
I want you to hear something.
No, I cannot hear it.
Okay. You'll see it then. Smash it though.
Smash it with. Oh my
Smash
god.
it. All right, babe. Don't worry. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Smash it, babe.
Like this, yeah?
Smash it, babe.
Ooh. Oh. Like this?
Yeah, smash it like this.
Come on. Oh. Oh
What is
my
it?
god.
What is it, babe?
It's-
Did you find it?
I think I found something, yeah.
What is that?
Honey, is that a ring for me?
Well, I guess so. Will you marry me?
Of course.
Oh, thanks.
Oh,